Hi, I'm Jessica, and this is a week in my life as an international student in SP. I started my day with a morning class, and here is my friendly lecturer, Dr. Rajiv.
Thank you, Jessica, and can you see your bye-bye?
After lesson, my friends and I headed to FC2, and today we ate Yong Tau Fu! Yay! Other than having 6 food courts, SP also has fast food restaurants on campus, such as McDonald's, KFC, Subway, and even Starbucks. After that, I had another lesson on human anatomy with Dr. Tan. After class, I went to VISTA, a shopping mall just one train stop away from SP. VISTA is a shopping mall I visit often after class for snacks and drinks. I especially love this mall as it is close to SP and the building is gorgeous. Today, I ordered the curry rice for lunch. VISTA also has a lot of food variety and many bubble tea options. For today's lesson, I only had a practical class on ophthalmic optics. Today we had a lesson on TCU. It is a common module about thinking critically.
Hi guys, so we're going to the SPOC to get our contact lens. Yay!
Here are my friends Yuki and Lei, and in front they are also my friends from the same class, which are Sharon, Hanis, and Jolene. I like that SP is just beside the train station, which makes going to school so convenient.
I just got my contact lens from Singapore Polytechnic Optometry Center, and actually, you can get your eyes checked in there too.
I had no classes today, so I spent the day studying at home. Oh yeah guys, for y'all international students looking for accommodation, you don't need to worry because SP also offers accommodation which is right beside the campus. Very convenient, right? I have a few international friends who are staying there as they were unable to find their own accommodation. The apartment is usually shared among 6 students with 2 students staying in one room. Finally, we've come to the end of the week. After class, my friends and I went to the library to study. I really like the library in SP since it provides such a comfortable space to study, and also it provides projectors and speakers in the pods. You can also look and borrow books from here. Then, we had our lunch in the food court. As usual, we had Yong Tau Fu. After school, we headed to the supermarket to get some groceries before heading to the town for some refreshing after such a long week. Overall, I would like to thank SP because in SP, I get to meet a lot of amazing people who are now becoming my friends and lecturers. And that's all for my week. Goodbye!